I know the heavy responsibility, and I appreciate the CEC's confidence in me. I'll do my best to emulate the excellent examples of past chairmen from Dr. Toh Chin Chye to Mr. Lim Boon Heng. The May general election was an epochal event in Singapore's political history. Once again, our party was returned comfortably to power, this time winning 81 of the 87 seats in Parliament. And we regained Potong Pasir SMC after 27 years. Over the last 7 months, we had extensive consultations with all of you, party activists, at the branch, constituency, and district levels. Let me thank party activists for your comments, your suggestions, your insights on how we can do better at the next GE. There is a consensus that we have entered a new phase. GE 2011 reflects some permanent changes in our political landscape. The key political challenge in the coming years will be one of more intense competition and in a more challenging domestic environment. We must find ways to improve the lives of our people, and not just those in the lower income, but also in the middle. This will require significant resources at a time when our economy is maturing and growth will slow. Beyond developing specific policies to address material issues, we also need to adjust our approach and our style to strengthen the emotional connection with our people. In particular, we must be able to connect with the younger generation, understand their aspirations, engage them, work with them as one team Singapore to advance the Singapore cause. To achieve all this, we must continue to evolve our party, reinventing and reinvigorating it. Tomorrow, our internal consultations will culminate in the party convention and a dialogue with SecGen. I look forward to our discussion tomorrow morning. For tonight, let's focus on recognizing the contributions of our outstanding party activists. As party activists, you are the key to our party's success. In different styles, you each lived and exemplified the PAP values of integrity, selflessness, and total dedication to our political cause, which is to serve Singaporeans and to make their lives better. Tonight, we honor 372 such party activists. Topping the list is Mr. Eric Low Siak Ming. He will receive the Meritorious Services Medal. Eric Low was chairman of Hougang branch from 1999 until early this year. He stood for election there twice as our candidate. 2 electoral failures never dampened his spirit. He did his best to win over voters in an opposition ward. He kept up the branch activist morale and fighting spirit. This year, he moved aside for Mr. Desmond Chu to stand in Hougang, guiding him and actively helping out in the GE campaign. Desmond Chu did not win, but gained considerable battle experience. He will be stronger next time to reap the fruits of his and Eric Low's labor. 4 activists will receive the Commendation Medal. Together, they chalked up a combined total service of more than 100 years. Mr. Sim Wai Chin, totally dedicated to the party. As branch secretary of UNOS branch since 1988, he was actively involved in the last 2 GEs in Aljunied. He was there all the time for the party and for the people. Eric Lim T. Kit has served 4 MPs in Ang Mo Kio. At Kebun Baru branch, he is a pillar of strength, galvanizing all party members, supporters, and residents to help build the community there. Ms. Rosemary Lim Mo Tin exemplifies the humble party activist. Her temperament and dedication are infectious, and party activists look to her as their role model. She also brought her IT skills to bear in modernizing the operation of the McPherson branch. Mr. Peck Hock Beng has been serving the party for over 30 years, keeps a low profile, preferring to work quietly behind the scenes. But the activists and the residents in Tampines East Branch know that they have a well-respected leader in their midst. "14 activists will receive the Dedicated Service Medal. These are all long-serving and loyal activists who are still active. 2 of them have served for more than 50 years each. Mr. Chua Ban Eng of Taman Jurong Branch and Mr. Sia Chin Heng of UT Branch. The other activists will receive the Gold, Silver, Bronze, WW, and YP awards. In addition, there will be Outstanding Branch awards for the top 10 branches. Some branches have done well consistently. We acknowledge them through the Sustained Performance Award. And this year, the award goes to Nee Soon South and Sengkang West. May I invite all the award recipients to stand up for us to acknowledge their contributions.